If we had 10 more students, I don't know where we'd put them. We might have to open the door and put somebody out in the hallway.
We're a little tape it up and make it work in here, which is wonderful in its own way.
A lot of our production revolves around sporting events, but to have something else to offer that gives a more well-rounded education would be a wonderful opportunity.
It's really hard to hear in this room. There's certain instruments that can't be heard. In this room, I never hear the French horns when they play.
A new auditorium will be a really big deal to our program. We have not had any sort of dedicated performance space. As you can see here, we're in our theater room that is also classroom, scene shop, rehearsal hall, lunchroom, come as you are.
To be able to offer a wider breadth of technical opportunities to our students would be amazing.
The high school band has certainly outgrown the Commons area when we do concerts out there. It's really crowded, and for the audience, it would mean everything. For the parents, they really can't see their sons or daughters or their classmates unless they stand up or walk around.
Having this space and the luxury to be able to cross from stage right to stage left without being seen by the audience is just like one of my most treasured dreams.
And I think it would be a focal point for the foundation schools to be able to use the auditorium here at Knoxville Catholic.
One of my dreams is to be able to do some shows that include children and bring in kids from foundation schools to be part of them.
To be able to learn live sound and live lighting, I think would be a phenomenal skill to be able to teach our students.
Lighting design. It is such a big aspect of truly making a theatrical piece come together.
A new auditorium with a stage where we can all comfortably sit on. The audience is sitting in tiered or stadium seats and have complete sightline access to the performers would mean everything for us.
It really will just not only give us a really special place to perform and share our craft, but also to help the students involved in our programs really feel valued in a different way.
So if we could pre-wire the theater to be ready for video, as well as our live sound and lighting, to be able to mix all of those elements together and have a completely student-run production on a professional level would be amazing.
And what a great recruiting tool, not just for the foundation schools, but for musicians, artists, dancers from all over the community. When they come to visit Knoxville Catholic, one of the first things we'd show them would be the outstanding auditorium we have here.